First thing to do is to create a new application. Click on create app and give your application a name. So for mine, I'm just giving it a random name, music, and I'm also choosing the icon of this app from gallery. So let me just choose one of these icons, okay, and give this application a description and click on next as well. Okay, the next thing to do now is to give your application a style. So I'm just choosing a random style and click on next. So just click on the create an empty application for now. So go to app manager. So now let's go to this website name alfsite.com. Once you come to this website, input your email here or come to this site here and sign up for a new account. Either use Google, Facebook, or your email. So I'm using Google. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to a new page. Just choose your Google account, and after you're done signing up, it shows this page. And as you can see, there are so many sections here, but the one we are looking for is the audio player. So let's scroll down. Okay, this is the audio player. So click on it. It shows a new page for you to choose a template of the audio player you preferred. And once you choose it, click on the continue with template. And if you scroll down, you'll see where you can add new track and you can also delete this track as well. So once you are done with this page, click on the publish icon and it will show a new page. So now on this new page, you have to click on this install button that you saw here. So click on the install button and it shows this code. Just copy this code. And once you copy this code, go back to your AppCreator24, come to the section, create a new section, and the new section will be an HTML section. Now click on the enter the void HTML code advanced and click on next. So highlight the page content only, then paste the code you copy from the ELF site. Then give this section a title, and after that click on save. So once you are done, you can come to this design and set your app to your preferred one. So you can just come to this menu type and keep it without menu and click on save. So now guys, it's time to test. And I have an amazing offer for you. Once you refer a friend on this ELF site, you get $15.
Artlist.io